Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of 60 Formula. Guess what? It's Britney Spears' birthday in literally like 18 days. But he's got a buddy who had another birthday, so we went to a birthday party. Dog birthday parties are the best, and there's so much cool things to do. What's better than hanging out with a bunch of doggos while they run around and go crazy? So we took Britney Spears to a lake house, and we let him run free. No leash, no responsibilities, no rules, just fun and friends. That's the kind of stuff you gotta do sometimes when you love your dog, you know what I'm saying? Now, Gila didn't get to go. She got to stay home with me, and we recorded a Jurassic Park episode that we posted yesterday. I hope you guys liked that little skit we did. We love having fun sometimes and just making little skits after our favorite movies, and both the doggos love Jurassic Park. If you guys love Jurassic Park, leave it in the comments down below. You guys ready to go party? All right, let's go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Taking your dogs, especially Huskies, to a lake house is awesome because lakes or rivers or streams are usually really cold. So if your Huskies, getting overheated in the hot weather, especially if you live down south, this is a good way to let them cool down, let them jump around, hang out in some water. Again, I gotta thank you guys so much for watching the episodes, even the little skits that we do. We love bringing you guys entertainment and tips. Make sure to subscribe and like the videos for more content. Hey, and you know what? If you guys want that Jurassic Park T-Rex outfit, I went ahead and I linked it below on how you can buy it and purchase it. So if you want to dress up like a T-Rex and mess around with your doggo, go ahead and check that video out. I have it linked below. Enough is enough. Let's go ahead and check out the Husky birthday party.
You gonna go swimming? Yeah!
All right, now we're back from the awesome birthday lake party. Now, Britney Spears did such a good job at the lake. He met so many new friends. He had such a good time. He was just freaking out. This week coming up, we got more tips and tricks for you. So if you guys were looking forward to more ways to train your husky, we got it coming your way this week. If you guys really enjoy the channel, it would help us out so much, me and the Huskies, to bring you better quality videos if you visit our Patreon and donate just $1 a month. That would change our lives, up our production, and we would love you forever and ever. So if you guys want to donate, you can go ahead, check out our Patreon at patreon.com/60_formula. I'll link it down below. Also, if you guys are looking for awesome Husky treats or Husky gear, I'll link that all down below where you can get all that cool stuff. And if you want to check out our Instagram or our Facebook, I'll also link that all down below. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time with an episode of whatever we make. Peace. But I can't close up on both of you.